welcome back to our channel. If you caught our last video, you know that we were having a bit of a reality check.
Yeah.
You know, navigating the high cost of boat maintenance and whether or not we could keep doing this.
Knew we could.
Well, sit back, hit those like and subscribe buttons because we've got lots more to share with you. The most recent service invoice just came in, and this latest round of repairs was just about $3,500. And here's the kicker. Almost all of it was diagnostic labor. It was 23 hours of electrical gremlin hunting and cleaning corroded connections. Now I know that seems excessive, right? Well, what nearly doubled the cost was the fact that most of it required 2 technicians to be on the boat at the same time. One up on the bridge and the other one down in the engine room. And you know, the sea trial was an hour long in itself, and we had to have 2 technicians on board at that time. Again, one on the bridge, one in the engine room. So, you know, there's 3 hours worth of time for a 1-hour ride. Now, cleaning the connections doesn't sound like much of a task, but just to put it in perspective, each of the Maine EDC units, those little computer units on these Volvo engines, has about 30 pins, and every single pin had to be cleaned individually without mixing them up. Then you've got the injector pump harness. It has 7 pins, along with several relay plugs with 3 or 4 pins each. All told, on the engines alone, they cleaned over 100 pins, plus their female counterparts. And that's not even counting up on the helm, which got the same deep dive treatment in the hunt for that elusive electrical gremlin. Nothing is labeled. The wires are crammed into these looms with 30 wires each, and then they're spray painted, so the color-coded wiring diagram is pretty much useless. The EDCs themselves, if they weren't so outrageously expensive, I would have just gone ahead and replaced them, but they're $7,500 a piece. But here's why we do it, right? For the fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, we do it for the fun, the freedom, the challenge,
Yeah.
sort of an adventure. So let's get to the fun content. The reason we really bought the boat. We brought the boys, our 2 Havanese wonder pups. Both of them are lying around somewhere. And we brought them to the boat for the first time. And then we also took a short ride over to one of the most authentic fishing villages in Maine, Cundy's Harbor. It's a real working waterfront with lobster boats moored so tight together it made navigating a little more interesting than usual. Thought we were going to hit a couple of them.
Threading the needle.
Yeah. And I actually remembered to film our lunch this time for you so you could actually see the food. So again, sit back, hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, and come along for the next 7 or 8 minutes of our scenic Maine coast goodness. So, hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Casper, where are we going to go? Huh? Where are we going? Taxi. Yeah, where we want to go? We're going to go, yeah, going to go to the boat? Huh? Yeah, going to go to the boat? Maxie doesn't know what the boat is. Casper, you know what the boat is? Yeah, okay. Yeah. What do you think, Max? Huh? It's okay? Yeah. Is it as good as you remember, Casper? Huh? What do you think, huh? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Hi, boys. Something like that. do you think, Max? Huh? What do you think? Oh, well, I'm not sure. First time on a boat, Dad. Not sure. I'm not...
You remember that, right?
What do you see?
Yeah.
Hi, honey.
Hi.
You excited?
Is that regular or
Diet. Hi, Jess.
Hi.
Having fun?
Yeah.
Well, looks delicious. You ready, Jess?
Yes.
Ready, hon?
Uh-huh.
How is it?
Oh, good.